this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to send and check the results of warehouse arrival certification messages using RNS Arrivals with a mobile device. Warehouse Arrival Certification Messages, or WACM for short, is an electronic notification sent by Canadian Sufferance Warehouses to CBSA when unreleased inland cargo arrives at their facility. Arrival messages are required to be sent by warehouse operators, and warehouses must be registered to use the release notification system in order to transmit arrivals. To learn more about warehouse arrival certification messages or to find out how to get started, visit BorderConnect Support Wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. This tutorial assumes that you have an active RNS subscription as a warehouse in BorderConnect. So now, let's get started. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to send a new warehouse arrival message, click the menu icon, then tap PARS Shipments, then tap Send New RNS Arrival. You'll then get to the Send RNS Arrival Request page, and starting at the top, enter the cargo control number that's arrived at your warehouse. You can also send arrivals for multiple cargo control numbers by entering multiple cargo control numbers separated by commas. Now, select the warehouse sublocation code below, which in most cases is already set up to your default sublocation code, so you can leave this field as is. So, below that, set the arrival date and time. And after all the arrival details have been entered, click the button at the top that says Send Arrival, where you'll transmit the arrival request to CBSA and be brought to the Arrival Request search page. On the Arrival Request search page, you can see a history of the most recent arrival requests or warehouse arrival certification messages you've sent to CBSA. Once your arrival request is accepted by CBSA after approximately 5 to 10 minutes, it'll be put into an arrive status in most cases. Other common responses from CBSA include cannot arrive, goods already released and acquitted, which means that the arrival request has been rejected, but the cargo control number was already released. Another common response is arrival office does not match release office, which means that the release office entered in the arrival message does not correspond to your sublocation code. You can also view more details on your arrivals and print RNS Arrival Reports. To do this, open up an arrived cargo control number, then tap Details, where you'll be brought to the RNS Arrival Request Details page. Here, you can view additional details on your arrival, view your arrival request history below, and also print an RNS Arrival Report here, where you can store the Warehouse Arrival Certification Message Report for your records. And to learn how to send and check the results of Warehouse Arrival Certification messages on a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.